question number 8, it says for each dividend, determine the value of k if the remainder is 3. So there's some unknown k value in each of these, and we're going to use the remainder theorem to come up with an equation that allows us to solve for k. So let's just look at C. So for C, we have this division, and we know that when we divide this, we get a remainder of k's. So what that means is, using the remainder theorem, is that if I substitute in the root, so the factor is x plus 2, the root is going to be negative 2. If I factor that root, if I plug in that root, I'm going to get the remainder. Okay, and so when I plug that in, I'm going to end up with negative 2 cubed plus k times negative 2 squared plus negative 2 plus 5, and that's equal to the remainder of 3. And so I've got that value of 3 from up here. I now have an equation here that allows me to solve for k. So then, simplifying this out, I get 4k minus 2 plus 5 equals 3. So I'm going to end up with negative 5 on this side. So I'm going to add 5 to this side, add 5 to this side, and those all cancel out. So I end up with 4k is equal to 8, and that makes k equal to 2. So we're using the remainder theorem to plug in the root into the function, and that allows us to make it equal to the remainder, and then that gives us an equation to solve for k.